Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Happn app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you already have logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, where you can see the map option at the bottom. So let's tap on the map and you can see there is no any option to change your location over here, but yeah, to show you a demo, let me go to the explorer and now tap on the profile. And if you go to the settings, then also there is no any option to change your location from here. So what you basically can do is you simply need to go somewhere or ship to somewhere, and yeah, Happn gonna automatically gonna track you. And the another option is by going to be through enabling your VPN. So once you enable your VPN, you simply need to restart your Happn application, and yeah, once you open it you will be able to change your location successfully. So basically this is how, and these are the way to change your location on Happn app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.